everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to answer the question, can you apply for unemployment if you quit? Generally, eligibility for unemployment benefits varies by state and specific circumstances. For example, voluntary quitting. In most cases or most states, if you quit your job voluntarily, you may not be eligible for unemployment benefits. But there are some exceptions. Some states may allow you to collect unemployment benefits if you quit for a good cause or reason, such as harassment or unsafe working conditions, health reasons, family or caregiving responsibilities, domestic violence, or stalking. Now, here are the requirements for you to be eligible. 1. Like I said, it depends on the state, so state-specific rules. Each state has its own rules and regulations regarding unemployment benefits. You will need to have worked and earned wages during a specific base period, usually the first 4 of the last 5 completed calendar quarters. Reasons for separation. Now, your reason for separation from employment will be evaluated to determine eligibility. What's the best course of action? Check with your state's unemployment office. Contact them to discuss your specific situation and determine if you're eligible for benefits. Gather documentation. Be prepared to provide documentation such as your employment history and reason for quitting support your claim.